Hello everyone, this is your local realtor, Realtor Zahid from Remax, and we are here again continuing with our previous information session regarding the importance of hiring a full-time professional realtor. So last time we discussed about how a full-time professional realtor can help you with listing your home, open houses and showings and the receiving offers. Today we will be talking further more about the importance of hiring a full-time professional realtor. And step 7 is accepting an offer with the help of a professional realtor. After you have accepted an offer and have successfully sold your house, your real estate agent would now walk you through the paperwork and send it to your mortgage broker and lawyer. Here, only a full-time and professional realtor, just like myself, who has a track record for the highest sales and listing, can help you in taking all the transactions smoothly in a stress-free process. And the next step is moving out with the help of a professional realtor. Give yourself plenty of time to pack and remove your furniture and personal belongings. As well, ensure you do not remove anything from the home that was included in the buyer's offer. If you are unsure if the item should stay, you should ask your real estate agent. As a full-time professional realtor, I can guide you even more regarding this. And the last step is step 9, signing the final paperwork on closing day with the help of a professional realtor. On the day of closing, you will meet with your lawyer to sign the final paperwork. Here you will also give your house keys to your lawyer to provide to the buyers. This whole process would be really smooth and easier if you hire a full-time professional realtor like myself, who can ensure that you get an appropriate and experienced lawyer through my contacts, and also ensure all your belongings are out of the home, as the home will now belongs to the buyers. A competent and professionally experienced realtor, just like myself, is the most important aspect in the process of selling your home. So you should never compromise and choose the best always. I hope that this online session must have been quite informative for you all, and after watching this you must be thinking of hiring a professional and a full-time realtor just like myself, who has a track record of the highest listings and hands-on experience in real estate. Still, if you have any question or concern that you raise in the near future, please do not hesitate to contact me. I can make the process of selling or buying your home much easier, and you will certainly get top dollars or value for money without any doubts if you hire me as your realtor. Signing off for now. This is a real estate broker, Realtor Zahid, your very own local expert for all the realty needs. I will be back again with something new regarding real estate information and concerns. Till then, thank you all for watching my video and stay tuned for new ones soon. Best of luck for your future endeavors. Stay safe